So today was the FOMC meeting where they actually paused rates, but the crypto market has crashed. In this video, I'm going to be telling you guys my thoughts with cryptos. Are they going to crash lower? They're going to go down much further. What's going on? I thought it was bullish news today. Stick around to the very end to find out because things are about to get very, very crazy. So if we get into the video, we can see that Ethereum has crashed. Bitcoin is sitting at 25,000. It hit $24,800 today. This is very, very interesting. Well, why did this happen? There was good news today, right? Yes, there was somewhat good news, as people may interpret as bullish, which means that the Fed actually paused rates. So they're not going to be raising rates this month, which is good, but the Fed has already raised rates aggressively for over a year. And that is very bearish. And the effects of that are going to be very bearish on the economy, the stock market, and cryptos for quite some time. And that's why we're actually seeing the market go down today, because everything was pumping up an expectation that the market was going to go up today because the Fed is going to pause. But since the market already went up for weeks because the Fed is likely and was likely going to pause, that's why that today's date caused everything to crash. And we hear this over and over again. I see it over and over: buy the rumor, sell the news. Well, guess what? I'm actually one of the few people on the internet that actually shorted this entire move. If we go to my Twitter, I can show you guys that I was telling people that the market was going to crash. And if we go over to my Twitter, I highly recommend that you guys follow my Twitter, stay up to date. I showed you guys that things were likely to crash. Look at this. Something that I posted earlier today. I said 99% of traders and investors are bullish because of an economic event today. The market has been pumping for weeks because of this anticipation. When or if the Fed pauses today, what next? Only 1% of traders make it. Do the math. And I showed this staircase going up and a slow exit or a quick exit down, which basically means that there's going to be a crash. And that happened exactly. And actually, the statistics, the real statistics, you guys hear like only 10% of traders make it or 5%. I think that number is 1%. And I'm actually one of the top 1% of the top 1% of people in the world that make money trading cryptocurrencies and other things. So here we have some trades here. I did take 75% of my profits, but I'm up 48% on this trade, and I'm up 33% on this trade right now after it's bounced up a little bit. If you guys want to have access to these trade alerts where I'm posting profitable trade alerts, you can follow and copy all of my exact trades. Join the Patreon. Highly recommended. I also have a trading algorithm that will tell you exactly when to buy and when to sell before these crashes happen. Look at this. We had a huge sell alert on my indicator before this crash happened, and boom, we got a huge crash in the market. But let me get into more so of what is going on other than the things that I just mentioned. So it's buy the rumor, sell the news. I need to show you guys something even more important. So let me take off the indicator and let us zoom out here. At Bitcoin, everything follows Bitcoin. And what we are seeing is that Bitcoin is in a downtrend, is continually heading lower. This is the weekly time frame. If we go to the daily time frame, we can see that Bitcoin is continually forming new lows, lower lows, and it's not looking good. So this is a downtrend. We're seeing a downtrend form here, and it's likely to bring us down to, I think, about $16,000 by December or January. I could be wrong, but these are the numbers that I am expecting. These are the numbers that I am thinking personally are extremely likely given our economic status. So we are in a downtrend. We do have some very strong key levels for Bitcoin, and this is what we're going to need to pay attention for if we are holding or trading altcoins. One is going to be this area right here, which is none other than around $19,000. $19,000 and $21,000 is going to be a huge area of support. So I think Bitcoin is going to get some type of reaction down here. We're going to have to be patient. We're going to have to wait, and it can take some time for us to get down here. But I ultimately think we're going to get down there. And honestly, we could probably even get down to these levels, $15,000 to $16,000 before the halving takes place. The halving is going to be next year, and I believe cryptos around the halving are going to become very, very bullish. So if we can get these low prices down here, guys, for Bitcoin, every cryptocurrency, the good ones, are going to be at a similar discount. And that's when I'm personally going to be looking to be buying Bitcoin, going long, and being an investor to cryptocurrencies, Ethereum, Bitcoin, some other good coins, XRP, to diversify. This is when we want to get bullish. We don't want to get bullish when things are pumping and going up. We want to get bullish when things are down and at a discount. The way to make money and the way Wall Street makes money, the way whales make money, is they buy things just like a business. If you have a retail store, you're selling products. How can you make money? Do you make money by buying products at an extreme premium and then selling it for less? No, that would be called buying high and selling high, or buying high and selling low. You make money when you buy things at wholesale price or at a discount, and then you sell it for a premium. And the way you do that is, this is a discount. This is discount. Crashes, major corrections, these are discounts. Essentially, we're at some form of discount now for cryptos. But I think the discount is going to get much, much better, and we're going to get a better sale, a fire sale, as they call it. So we just want to be patient, and I think the market's going to keep heading down lower, but it's going to be really good because it's going to create trading opportunities. It's going to create more volume, more momentum in the market, which is essentially going to make us more money if we know how to trade or invest. Remember, nothing in this video constitutes financial advice. Check out all the things that I mentioned in this video to help you make money, and make sure you guys are trading over on BitGet. It is a platform that I use to trade on, and they're giving up to $30,000 deposit bonuses if you just open up an account and log in today. Make sure you make 4 trades. If you are in the US, you'll need to use a VPN like NordVPN. Put your country to Mexico when you log in and set up, and you're going to be good to go. That's going to be it for this video. If you guys get something out of this video, consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribing, notifications on, and I'll see you later.